Hi students, how you are? Welcome to the second part of the chapter Isosceles Triangle. Let us first discuss what is an isosceles triangle. If you see that any two sides of a triangle are equal, then it's an isosceles triangle. Like AB equal to AC or BC equal to AC or AB equal to BC. I mean any two sides are equal means it's an isosceles triangle. Now another property. If you see any two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Since AB equal to AC, that means their opposite angles, that is angle C equal to angle B. I mean their opposite angles are also equal. If AB equal to BC, then their opposite angles like angle C and angle A are also equal. Here all the opposite angles are shown by the arrows. Now another property we will discuss. When two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. Okay? Like if angle A equal to angle B, then their opposite sides, I mean BC and AC, will also be equal. Okay? Now, if other two angles of this triangle are equal, like angle B equal to angle C, then their opposite sides, that is AB and AC, will also be equal. Understood? So AB equal to AC. Now if you are ready with this concept, then we can start our sums. For that, let us go to our maths copy. Let us draw the figure first. This is a triangle given. Yes, this is the triangle. Triangle ABC. ABC. Fine. This is the exterior angle given. Yes, this is the exterior angle, which is 128 degree. Fine. Now it is given that AB equal to AC. I am not drawing the whole figure first. We'll draw it step by step so that you can understand it better. Now it's given that AB equal to AC. Yes, AB and AC are equal. So if AB and AC are equal, if AB equal to AC, then I can write that angle B equal to angle C. Okay, so let this is X. If this is X, then this is also X. Fine. So, and we know that the exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angle. Yes. Again I am saying, repeating the property. The exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. So if this is X, this is also X. That means this plus this equal to 128 degree. So I can write that X plus X equal to 128 degree. That means 2x equal to 128, x equal to 64 degrees. So this is my 64, this is also 64. Fine. Now let's see what you have to find. Yeah, this is given BC equal to CD is also given. Here is another line CD, and these two sides are also equal. So just now think about this triangle BCD. If you think about this triangle, you will find that this side and this side are equal. That means their opposites angle are also equal. Yes. So if this is X, this is also X, and X we know 64 degree. So if this is 64, this is also 64. Fine. So now if I ask you, can you find this angle? Say this angle is, say Y. Yes, Y is X plus Y equal to 180 degree. So let us find it. X plus y equal to 180 degree. Which triangle I have used? Triangle BCD. Yes, BCD. So x plus y equal to 180 degree. Now x we know, that is 64. So 64 plus 64 is 128 plus y equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 180 minus 128 is how much? 150, sorry, 52 degree only. Okay, so this is 52 degree. Now it's given that this is another line DE and these two lines are parallel. Given arrow, you can see in the question they are giving arrow. So that means these two lines are parallel. That means this angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because interior angle, alternate interior angle. Okay, so if this is y, so this is also y. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. So y we got 52 degree. So this is also 52 degree. Understood? So we got 52 degree. That is, what is the name of this? CDE. So my angle CDE equal to 52 degree. Now we have to find DCE. DCE means this angle I have to find. It's very easy because I told you that this angle and this angle are equal and we got it x. So that means this is also x, but this much is y. So how much is this? You understood? Let me repeat it. This is x, so this is also x, but this much is y. So how much is this? So total is x. From x, if you subtract y, understood? This total is x. From x, if you subtract y, you will get this angle. This angle. What is the name of this angle? DCE. So my D angle DCE equal to x minus y. Okay. What is x? X we have got 64. 64 minus y. What is y? Y is 52. We got 52. 52. That is 12 degree. Understood? In the next triangle, in an equilateral triangle ABC, let us draw an equilateral triangle first. Equilateral triangle means this is an equilateral triangle whose all the sides are equal. A, B, C. All the sides are equal. Just you have to keep that in mind. And one more information. We know that in an equilateral triangle, this angle, and this angle, all the angles are 60 degree. Correct? Now, P, Q and R are 3 points taken on AB, BC and CA. So, P is a point which is taken on AB. Okay? And BQ, yes, Q is another point. Q, this is another point. And C, R is another point on AC. Yes, this one. Fine. And it is given that AP equal to BQ, this one, and CR, they are equal. Fine. Okay. Now, say, since this is an equilateral triangle, so I can write that AB equal to BC equal to CA. All the sides are equal. Now it's given that AP equal to BQ equal to CR. This is given. Let us this equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now what we are doing? Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Just we are subtracting this two equation. So what we are getting? AB minus AP equal to BC minus BQ equal to CA minus CR. Okay, that means AB minus AP. Which is AB minus AP? AB minus AP, I mean this one, BP. Okay, equal to BC minus BQ is how much? BC minus BQ is CQ. CQ. CA minus CR, which is CA? This is CA. CA minus CR is AR. That is AR. So that means BP equal to, yeah, I made it single line. So BP equal to CQ. CQ equal to AR. AR. Okay. Now we have to show that PQR is also an equilateral triangle. PQR. This is also an equilateral triangle. Now, in triangle APR and triangle BPQ, let us write it. In triangle APR, I mean this triangle and this triangle. APR and triangle BPR. In this two triangle, which things are same? AP equal to BQ, that is given in the question. AP equal to BQ, that is given in the question. Fine. And AR equal to BP. AR equal to BP. We proved it here. AR equal to BP. We proved it. So we can write proved above. Here we proved it. Now, and this angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because this is a equilateral triangle. Since this is an equilateral triangle, this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. So I can write angle A equal to angle B. Both are 60 degree. Fine. So these two triangles are congruent now. Triangle APR congruent to triangle BPR. Okay. BPR. Sorry. This is BPQ. BPQ. Yes. By mistake, I have written here R. BPQ. Fine. Okay. Rest of all the things are okay. So now APR and BPQ, these two triangles are congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, by which property? Yes, side angle side. Side angle side. By side angle side. Okay. So that means I can write, since these two triangles are congruent, that means this side of this triangle and this side of this triangle are also equal. Why? CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. That means we can write that PQ equal to PR, CP, CT. Okay? Done. Now, we will consider this triangle and this triangle. What is the name of this triangle? BPQ. BPQ, triangle BPQ and triangle CRQ. Triangle CRQ. From these two triangles, again we can show that they are congruent. How? The same way, the way we have shown here. So in triangle BPQ and triangle CRQ, means these two triangles, what are the things equal? This BP equal to CQ. Then BQ equal to CR. And this angle are equal. Why? 60-60. So same way we have to show. So after showing that, I am not showing here, you have to show that. So after showing that these two triangles are congruent, I can write that PQ equal to QR. The same way. PQ equal to QR. How? CPCT. PQ equal to QR. CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So we got, first we got PQ equal to PR. Now we are getting PQ equal to QR. That means PQ equal to, from these two, from this line and from this line, what we are getting? PQ equal to PR, PQ equal to PR, and PQ equal to QR. PQ equal to QR. So we are getting QR equal to PQ equal to PR. QR, this is QR. PQ, this is PQ, this is PR. So all the three sides are equal. That means all these three sides are equal. Since all these three sides are equal, so PQR is an equilateral triangle. So the sum is proved. See the question displaying on your screen. Equal sides of AB and AC of an isosceles triangle. Let us draw an isosceles triangle first. Say this is the isosceles triangle. Okay. Where AB equal to AC. Fine. AB equal to AC. Now, that AB and AC are produced now. So AB I am producing say till X. And this AC is produced to Y. Now, first let us draw the rest of the figure later. First let us see what information we are getting. AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. That means this angle equal to this angle. Obviously, since AB and AC are equal, so opposite of AB this angle and opposite of AC this angle. So they are equal. So let this is X. So this is also X. Correct? Now, how much is this? This is 180 minus X. Correct? So this angle is 180 minus X. Now this angle is also 180 minus X. Because this much is X. So this is 180 minus X. Okay? So this is 180 minus X. This is also 180 minus X. Now, in the question it is mentioned that here is a line which is bisecting this angle. Okay? And here is another line which is also bisecting this angle. I mean, what is the measure of this angle? 180 minus X. So when you bisect it, so how much is this angle? This angle will be 180 minus X by 2. 180 minus X by 2. So how much is this angle? This is also the half of this. That is 180 minus X by 2. Okay. Now this is also 180 minus X by 2. We have taken out. See where I am making it bold. See here. This is 180 minus X and this is also 180 minus X. So since this both are 180 minus X, so their opposite sides are also equal. Understood? That means this BDC is another isosceles triangle. Okay? Now we are joining this. Okay? Now in triangle, we are writing in triangle ABD. Yes, ABD and triangle ACD. ACD. Okay, triangle ABD and ACD. Tell me, what are the things equal? Yes, first of all, we can write AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. The next line, BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. We have already shown. I am not showing here, but how BD equal to CD, just I described here that you have to show. I am not showing it. So BD equal to CD, which I have discussed here. BD and CD are equal. That's why we have written it. Now, and from this triangle and from this triangle. Okay, this triangle and this triangle. What is the next? Next is AD equal to AD. Yes, AD is the side of this triangle. AD is also the side of this triangle. So AD equal to AD common. So we can write AD equal to AD common. Fine. That means side, side, side. So triangle ABD, that means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. ACD. Fine. So that means these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, then we can write that this angle 1 and this angle 2 must be equal. Why? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. So we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Because these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, that means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay? And what is angle 1 equal to angle 2 means? Angle 1 equal to angle 2 means this total angle is bisected by AC. Okay? That means not AC, sorry, AD. AD is bisecting this whole angle A. That means AD bisects angle A. Proved. See the next question displaying on your screen. AB and AC of triangle ABC are equal. So it's an isosceles triangle. Let us draw it first. ABC, this is the triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB equal to AC. Okay, AB equal to AC means this angle and this angle are equal. Say if this is X, so this is also X, and this is obviously 180 minus 2X. Okay, 180 minus 2X. Fine, because X plus this angle is 180. So from that I can show this angle equal to 180 minus 2X. Understood? So if you have not understood it, I can explain it, no problem. So this is angle 1. I can write angle 1 plus X equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 equal to X plus X, 2X is going there. 180 minus 2X. Yes, this is 180 minus 2X. Fine. Now let us draw rest of the figure. Now this BC is produced. I am producing BC. Okay, this much is produced. Okay, but the we have to produce it in such a way so that AC equal to CD, means this side and this side, this CD are equal. AC and CD are same. Yes. So can you tell me that what is the measure of this angle? If this total is 180, because this is a line, so this total is 180. If this is X, so this is 180 minus X, because these are linear pair. Understood? Now if I join it, yes, we have to join in this figure. It's given in the question. So this is 180 minus X. Now in this figure, this side equal to this side. You can see that this side equal to this side. That means this is another isosceles triangle. That means this angle and this angle are also equal in this triangle. So say if this is Y, so this is also Y. Now can we find Y? Of course. Let us find it. Y plus 180 minus X. Y plus 180 minus X equal to 180. So our target is to find Y. So Y plus Y, 2Y equal to 180 minus 180 plus X. Both these are going their side. This cancelled. X. So Y equal to X by 2. Okay, Y equal to X by 2. Now the figure is not completed according to the question. In the question is given that this DA is produced. Yes, you can see D and A are joined and it's produced up to E. This is E. And it's given that, let us write this A here. Now it's given that this angle, this much is given 108 degree. Okay. Now this total angle is 180 degree. Since this is a line, this is a straight line, that means this total angle is 180 degree. So I can write that 108 plus this equal to 180 degree. Let us write it. 108 plus 108 plus 180 minus 2x plus y equal to 180 degree. So our target is to find x, or we can find y, no problem. We'll find y. Okay, so 180 will find y, don't forget. So rest of the thing we have to change. Now y equal to 180 minus 108 minus 180 plus 2x. I'm taking all this there. Okay, since I'm finding y. Now y equal to 180 cancelled, minus 108 plus 2x. From here I can write that x equal to 2y. See here, if I cross multiply it, what I am getting? X equal to 2y. Okay, so instead of x, if I put 2x, x means 2y. Okay, here y is there, so y equal to minus 108 plus 4y. Fine. Now 4y is going there, that is minus 4y plus y equal to minus 108, that is minus 3y minus 108. Minus cancelled, y equal to 108 by 3. Okay, so what we are getting? 36 degree. That means my y is 36 degree. Now let's see what we have to find actually. Angle ADB. Angle ADB. Oh, we have taken out this. ADB is this angle. ADB. This angle. So what is the measure of this angle? Y. Y is 36 degree. I hope you understood. Can you see the next question which is displaying on your screen? Yes, it's a given equilateral triangle. So let us draw an equilateral triangle first. This is the equilateral triangle. ABC. ABC. Fine. Now it's given that let us first discuss this triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means this side and this side are equal, and this side is given 15, this is 15, this is also 15. Fine. And we know that in equilateral triangle all the angles are 60 degree. So this is 60, this is 60, this is also 60. Fine. Now it's given that DE is parallel, this DE is parallel to this and this are parallel. That means this is 60 degree, so this is also 60 degree. Why? Corresponding angle. Correct? So what property I used here? This is a line, this is another line. Both the lines are parallel. Then if you draw another line, then this angle and this angle are called corresponding angle, and both the angles are same, I mean equal. So if this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. Same here, if this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. Okay. Now this line and this line are parallel. Okay. Since these two lines are parallel, so same way, if this is 60, then this is also 60. Okay. And if this is 60, then this is also 60. Okay. Now here is given another line EG, and this line is parallel to this line. It's given in the question. EG is parallel to AB. That means this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. 60, 60, 60 all. Why? According to this property, corresponding angle. So whatever I discussed here, you have to write all the things in the exam paper. Okay, here I am not showing, but you must show it. Okay. Now let's see what can we do here. See, it's given that we got lot of equilateral triangles here. Like this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, this is another equilateral triangle, and this is another equilateral triangle, and this is already an equilateral triangle which is given in the question. So if I consider that if this is x, then this is also x, this is also x, because this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So I am considering x, x, x. Now here this is another equilateral triangle, so let us consider its sides are y, y, y. Okay, this is another equilateral triangle, let us consider its sides are z, z, z. Fine. Now what can I write? Since the whole side is 15, so I can write x plus z equal to 15. X plus z equal to 15. Okay. Now here, same way, this side is 15. That means y plus z equal to 15. So y plus z equal to 15. Fine. And one more question, equation is given in the question, dE plus dF plus EG equal to 20. That is given in the question. What is dE? D is Z plus dF. What is dF? dF. This is F, yes. dF is X plus EG. EG is Y. Y equal to 20. So now let us see what can we do from here. We are adding these two. So x plus y plus z plus z, 2z equal to 30. Fine. So we'll find x plus y, or let us find z. So 2z equal to 30 minus x minus y. Okay. So z equal to 30 minus x minus y by 2. Fine. Now we'll put this value of z here. So what I'm getting, 30 minus x minus y by 2 plus x plus y equal to 20. So now let us LCM it. 30 minus x minus y plus 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y, 20. Okay. So what we are getting here? From this line, what are you getting? Minus x plus 2x, that is x, minus y plus 2y, that is plus y. Okay. Then plus 30 by 2 equal to 20. So x plus y plus 30 equal to, cross multiplying, 2 into 20, 40. So x plus y equal to, 30 is going there, 40 minus 30, that is 10. Okay, x plus y is 10. But we have to find this FG. FG we have to find. Okay, FG. Now from this one, BC, what can I write? X plus FG plus y. Let us write it. X plus FG plus y. Okay. X plus FG plus y equal to, this total is 15, because this is an equilateral triangle and all the sides are equal. So this complete one is 15. So this is 15. Now x plus y means, x plus y is 10, which we have seen here. X plus y is 10. So let us put this value here. X plus y is 10 plus FG equal to 15. So what is FG? 10 is going there. 15 minus 10, 5 centimeter. So FG is 5 centimeter. Understood this sum? Can you see the next question? If all the three altitudes of a triangle, let us draw a triangle first. Triangle, yes, this is the triangle A, B, C. Okay. In this triangle, The altitudes are same. All the three altitudes are same. I am not drawing all the three altitudes first. I will draw any two altitudes. Altitude means we'll draw an altitude from B. That means from B I am drawing a line such that this is 90 degree. Yes, altitude means a line you are drawing from any of this point, but that must be perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, the same way if you are drawing a line from here and to the opposite side, it's making 90 degree. Okay, so I am drawing two altitudes here. I am not drawing the third altitude. Let us see what can we do from here. So say this is D, this is E. Okay, now see, I'm taking this triangle. See, I'm making it little thicker so that you can understand it. See, so this is the black triangle I'm taking. What is the name of this triangle? BCD. And triangle I'm using a red pen for this so that you can easily understand it. See, this is the red I'm taking. Okay, yes, this is the triangle. So black triangle and red triangle, can you see? Okay, black triangle and red triangle. So now what is the name of this red triangle? BCE. Okay, now tell me, in this black one and this red one, what are the things equal? The first thing is, you can say these two angles are equal, both are 90. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is, both are right angle, 90 degree each. Okay, and then BC equal to BC. BC is the side of this black triangle. BC is also the side of this red triangle. So BC equal to BC. Fine. Common side. Common side. Okay. Now this CD equal to BE. Why CD equal to BE? That's given in the question. In the question it's given that altitudes are equal. CD is an altitude and BE is another altitude. So CD equal to BE. That's given in the question. CD equal to BE. Okay, it's given in the question. That means, so triangle BCD congruent to triangle BCE. That means these two triangles are congruent. Means black triangle and this red triangle are congruent. So we can say that, see this angle, this is the angle of black triangle. Okay, and here I am drawing another angle. This is the angle of red triangle. Okay, since these two triangles are congruent, so I can write that angle B equal to angle C. Okay, this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, now we will draw the same figure here. Not the same exactly. Again I will draw another triangle here, equilateral triangle. Not equilateral actually, the triangle I am drawing ABC. First what we have done, CD is the perpendicular, means altitude. I am not drawing another altitude here, that already we have done. So let us draw another altitude from here, AF. Okay, now take triangle ADC, triangle ADC and triangle AFC, triangle AFC. Let me make it black and red again. I said ADC, ADC, this triangle. Let us make it red. So ADC, you can see ADC, this is my red one. Okay, and AFC, A, this This is A, F, C. Okay. So this triangle is red one and this is the black one. So in the same way I can show that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So when your red and your black are congruent, that means this is the angle of the black one and this is the angle of the red one. That means angle C equal to angle A. So I can write angle C equal to angle A. Okay. After that, we got here angle B equal to angle C. And here we got angle C equal to angle A. So what do we got? Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. And we got here angle C equal to angle A. Angle C equal to angle A. That means all the three angles are equal. That means in this triangle, all the three angles are equal. Angle B equal to angle C equal to angle A. So when three angles are equal, that means it's an equilateral triangle. So my ABC is an equilateral triangle. So it's proved. So I hope you understood all the sums. So you must practice these sums. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.